I'm doing a little research at the Pella Public Library, and I ran into this little selection from History of Pella about Barund Tinbrook, and I've never seen a picture of him before. There he is. It doesn't say anything about his 1864 travels from Pella to Oregon, but he was one of the members of the Young and Ward Rysdom train, specifically with Cornelius Young and Ward, who was attacked during the Platte River raids, and he and 3 other guys, including our Young and Ward, they ran with their horses for help. And when they were approaching the Union soldiers who were coming their way to investigate, there was a mix-up, and the Union soldiers thought these are the Indians that had just robbed the immigrants, and so a chase broke out, and they had to run for their lives until later the Union realized their mistake and didn't quite apologize. They even killed their horses, but they gave the family back the saddles, like, oops, sorry. Okay, I got one. It's for Peter Noteboom. It says that they joined the covered wagon train going to Oregon on May 1st, 1864, reaching Oregon on October 28th, 1864, after about 6 months of travel. Many dangers, hardships, and difficulties were encountered, and we are told that Peter was kicked by a horse and died. The mother, Murty, also died. Little Franz had also died. And now there were 8 Noteboom orphans, and Ari, who was the oldest, was only 14 years old. So the children were sent back to their grandparents, Isaac Vandermeer in Pella, Iowa. But this time they went using a boat, a clipper sailing ship that ran around the peninsula.